Ice and foods in the refrigerator can lose their flavor and often take on the taste and odor of other stored items such as onions, garlic, fish, and spoiling food. Adding a box of baking soda to either the refrigerator or the freezer only helps to eliminate odors within a small area around the box. Because baking soda's effectiveness is limited, ice and stored foods may still take on the odors and flavors of items in the refrigerator. Even adding multiple boxes of baking soda can't eliminate all the possible odors. A Fresh Flow air filter by Whirlpool Corporation is 15 times more powerful than baking soda and reduces odors by filtering the air circulating through the entire refrigerator and freezer through proven activated carbon. The air filter is simple and easy to install with no special tools required. Just snap into place. Remove the new air filter and status indicator from the packaging. The air filter housing is located in the upper part of the refrigerator compartment behind a vented door. Open the vented door. If you're replacing the air filter, remove and discard the old filter by squeezing the side tabs and pulling toward you. Also remove and discard the old filter status indicator. Snap the new Fresh Flow air filter into place. If your model refrigerator has an air filter status light, reset the status light. The status indicator provided with your new Fresh Flow air filter will not be needed. To activate the new status indicator, place it face down on a firm, flat surface and apply pressure to the bubble on the back until it pops. Some models have notches on the lower left side of the filter housing to hold the status indicator. Slide the indicator down into the notches facing outward. If the indicator does not slide easily into the notches, check to be sure the rear bubble has been popped. On models without notches, store the indicator in a plainly visible place, either inside the refrigerator or elsewhere in your kitchen or home. Close the vented door. If your model has a rectangular hole in the door, check that the indicator is visible through the opening. Depending on your usage, Whirlpool recommends that air filters and water filters be replaced every 6 months.